Are you tired of dealing with thinning hair or bald spots? Have you tried countless products that promise to promote hair growth only to be disappointed by the lack of results? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with hair loss and are constantly searching for a solution that actually works. That's where our powerful hair growth serum comes in. Our hair growth serum is specifically formulated to stimulate hair follicles and promote new hair growth. The key ingredients in our serum have been scientifically proven to be effective in combating hair loss and promoting thicker, fuller hair. Whether you're dealing with genetic hair loss, stress-related hair loss, or any other type of hair loss, our serum can help. One of the key ingredients in our hair growth serum is biotin. Biotin is a B vitamin that is essential for healthy hair growth. It helps to strengthen the hair follicles and promote the growth of new hair. In addition to biotin, our serum also contains other vitamins and minerals that are crucial for healthy hair, such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and zinc. Another important ingredient in our hair growth serum is minoxidil. Minoxidil is a medication that is commonly used to treat hair loss. It works by increasing blood flow to the scalp, which in turn stimulates hair follicles and promotes hair growth. When used in combination with other key ingredients, such as biotin and vitamins, minoxidil can be even more effective in promoting hair growth. Our hair growth serum is easy to use. Simply apply a small amount of the serum to your scalp and massage it in gently. You can use the serum once or twice a day, depending on your needs. It is important to be consistent with your use of the serum in order to see the best results. Most people start to see an improvement in their hair growth within a few weeks of using the serum regularly. In addition to promoting hair growth, our serum can also help to improve the overall health of your hair. The vitamins and minerals in the serum help to nourish the hair follicles and strengthen the hair shaft, resulting in healthier, shinier hair. If you have damaged or brittle hair, our serum can help to repair and restore it to its former glory. Our hair growth serum is suitable for both men and women. Whether you're dealing with male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, or any other type of hair loss, our serum can help. It is safe and effective for all hair types and can be used in conjunction with other hair care products. If you're ready to say goodbye to thinning hair and hello to thicker, fuller hair, give our powerful hair growth serum a try. With regular use, you can achieve the hair of your dreams and regain your confidence. Don't let hair loss hold you back any longer. Try our hair growth serum today and see the results for yourself.